So today, bro, I will talk about domain knowledge. What is knowledge? Basically, domain knowledge is something that you know a lot of things about that specific area. For example, you know a lot about networking and you know a lot about a lot about architecture, about front end performance that are like domain knowledges. So basically today I would like to share how you can learn those domain knowledges and build something really fast, because I want to talk about this because last weekend on half of the Friday, Saturday and Sunday I was able to build beautiful website for our future startup that we are building. And also I've redesigned internal application that is managing that devices. We call it tains. And I was also able to build landing page for this, really nice landing page. You will see it was 12 plus 12 plus 5 hours, and I was able to build that. And I want to share that I couldn't been able to build this if I didn't spend a lot of hours of coding, because it basically the domain knowledge and the pattern recognition in your head comes from a lot of reps. So what I wanted to share is that you should not look for shortcuts, you should not waste time, and you should just do the work and just focus on that, improving yourself and building things. Because when you will be not doing this, you will be watching and preparing and doing a lot of wasteful shit. You will never get into that area where you learn that new thing. Basically you need to push forward when you do the things that you actually know, before you turn and do the things that you never done before, because these things only happen usually in the end of that specific development of that product. It is only happening when you are on that end, when you are ending the product, when it will be released, or you are doing some kind of maintenance or something. So think about it every time, that you need to learn and do a lot of work to get good at coding, because there is no shortcuts. You basically need to sit down and spend 8,000 hours on coding or software engineering like me. For example, I've spent it I don't know how much time it is, but maybe 8,000 hours coding. Some of you maybe are playing games, and imagine if you can put those games time into doing something more beneficial. For example, I alongside school, I was able to bought almost a new car, Audi TT. In our country, basically students are super broke. They have almost 500 euros per month, and I was able to earn enough money to buy a car that is sports car in cash, without leasing it or something. I've just done the work, spent a lot of time, I was patient, and it basically, I was able to achieve something that nobody else has. For some people has it, but I was alongside studying, and I don't know personally nobody that bought a car when he went third year out. Or maybe if I think about it, one person from maybe 200 people that I know that are studying. So this is what I wanted to share. So don't look for shortcuts, just do the work. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.